Riley Curry's dad, aka the basketball player known as Stephen Curry, has broken one of the craziest records of all time. So let's talk about this. Hey guys, it's Brittany, bitch, for HollywoodLife.com.
It's Brittany, bitch.
Just as we're saying goodbye to the Black Mamba, yes, Kobe Bryant is officially on his retirement tour.
Bye, Felicia.
Sorry, not really a Kobe fan, but not a hater. Save the mean comments. Anyway, there is a new greatest player on earth, and his name is Stephen Curry. Now, casual fans might know him more for bringing his adorable daughter Riley to the press conferences, where she has a habit of stealing the show.
Game 4 didn't happen. Clay comes out after, getting hit in the head, and he's bleeding from the ear, like you said, and he's able to impact the game.
Anyway, Steph, who's only 27, was the 2015 league MVP, and his defending NBA champion Warriors have opened the 2015-16 season with the best winning streak in history, currently 20-0 and counting, blowing past even Michael Jordan and his vaunted 95 Bulls. Sorry, Dennis. Stephen dropped 28 points in a single quarter against the Charlotte Hornets during Win 20, returning to his own hometown in the great state of North Carolina, on his way to a total of 40. I smell a scoring title. Steph comes by it honestly though. His dad is actually legendary NBA shooter Del Curry, but Steph has already passed his pops in three-pointers made only 6 years into his career. These two actually played horse the other day, and Steph did not take it easy on his old man.
Y'all think that's funny, huh?
Oh!
Anyway, the sort of average-sized Steph Curry, at only 6'3", 190 pounds, dripping wet, has done all of this with some of the most impressive off-the-ball movement and ridiculous handles I have ever seen. These warm-up shots from the stands and his famous ball handling drills before games don't hurt either. But of course, it's his insane circus shot making that has set him apart from every other player. Literally, even when his shots get blocked, they still go in. Let's actually just go to Riley for comment on this. Riley?
I feel blessed.
You wanted to say that.
Now, let me point out, the all-time winning streak record is 33, held by the Lakers from way back in the early 1970s, and we're still a long way from that. But I'm a huge fan, and we will keep you guys updated on the streak and the general cuteness of Riley. But in the meantime, let me know if you think Stephen will repeat as NBA champion this year, or is LeBron James gonna make a comeback?